I was actually impressed when this was one of the topics is managing your crew. Something as simple as the conversations that you have with your staff or your, the people that's going to be working alongside you that's going to help grow your business. I was very impressed when they brought up the speech you have or just the meeting that you want to have before you go start a project. And they even touched on how to be respectful when you're managing and leading these guys. So I was very impressed with that. Again, being so new to the industry, when we got into the things that I knew I needed to know some things about, which were your screeds and you're following your grades and how to check your level your machine out. That's all stuff that, as new as I am to the industry, everybody's gonna do some investigating, and you have your own questions that you might be intimidated to ask a peer or somebody that you're gonna potentially hire. And then you go in there and they answered so many questions without me raising my hand, just in their presentation. But so yeah, I learned a lot, and I really enjoyed the entire process of it, but I was very impressed when they touched on things as simple as the meetings that you have and having a happy staff and how to be respectful but be a leader. I would absolutely recommend coming to the Roadtec seminar for sure.